Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where space is gone and stopping anything writing to disk. Open storage settings and note drive and %free, then quit large apps and pause backups. Next, run a disk usage tool to map big folders. This shows files by size so you target the real culprits. While it analyzes, make a mental list of candidate folders like downloads, videos, and temporary caches. This gets you actionable targets immediately instead of guessing. Once you have a map of large files, remove safe targets first. Empty the recycle bin and run system cleanup to purge temp files. This often frees several gigabytes fast. Then move bulky media or archives to an external drive or cloud storage. Compress before transferring if bandwidth or space is limited. Uninstall unused applications and delete old device backups, making sure you have any needed data stored elsewhere. As you delete, monitor to finish, verify integrity and prevent recurrence. Run a file system check and remove old restore points or shadow copies that can hoard space. Implement automated housekeeping like storage sense or scheduled cleanup tasks, and set quotas or alerts to catch growth early. If free space remains unexpectedly low, search for hidden large files, orphaned virtual machines, or run antivirus scans for disk-filling malware. If a specific folder refuses to shrink, confirm permissions and rebuild indexes. Make sure backups are complete before purging them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.